Hi friends, welcome to Current Jobs for All. MMRDA has issued a notification regarding recruitment for non-executive posts. There are a total of 110 vacancies. The number of vacancies for the post of Technician 1 is 53. For Technician Civil 1, 8. For Technician Civil 2, 2. For Technician SNT 1, 39. For Technician SNT 2, 2. For Technician E&M 1 and 2, Train Operator Shunting, Junior Engineer Store, Traffic Controller, Helper, there are 1 vacancy each. Submission of online applications commences on 27th June 2020 and closes on 27th July 2020. For the post of Technician 1, Technician Civil 1, Technician SNT 1, Technician E&M 1. The pay scale is Rs 25,500 to 81,100. Age limit as on 1st June 2020 is 40 years. For the posts of Technician Civil 2, Technician SNT 2, Technician E&M 2. The pay scale is Rs 19,900 to 63,200. For the post of Train Operator, Junior Engineer, Traffic Controller, the pay scale is Rs 38,600 to 1,22,800. For the post of Helper, the pay scale is Rs 15,000 to 47,600. Age limit for these posts are 38 years. Educational qualification required for the post of Technician and Helper is ITI or NCVT or SCVT in the concerned trade. 2 years of experience in the relevant field is required for the post of Technician 1, Technician Civil 1, Technician SNT 1 and Technician E&M 1. For the post of Train Operator and Traffic Controller, educational qualification required is degree or diploma in electrical or electronics and telecommunication. For the posts of Junior Engineer, educational qualification required is degree or diploma in electrical or mechanical or civil or electronics and telecommunication. The selection process consists of an online examination and interview. The online examination fee for general candidates is Rs 300 and for reserved candidates is Rs 150. Candidates should have knowledge of Marathi language. Otherwise, they have to pass Marathi examination conducted by the Government of Maharashtra. Interested and eligible candidates can visit the MMRDA website and apply for the same. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.